Hi, this is Deborah from Right Brain Left Turn. You might know me on the forums as Beach Walker or Woods Walker. I just wanted to show you how you can add a linked product image to the forums. This is kind of tricky, especially now that Zazzle went and changed the links around on us. Someone helped me figure it out, so hopefully this will help you figure it out as well. What you see on the left here of these two pages that are open is a page in the forums with a new topic started. At the top of this page is the preview version of a post, and underneath that is the text and the code that makes that up. If you look at my cursor, it turns into, there we go, turns into a hand when I hover over this bridal shower invitation. And that is because of the code down here, which you don't have to type, you just have to know how to get it to type itself. Basically, it doesn't type itself, but the buttons generate the code for you. So we want to add another linked product like this on the same post. The reason these are good is if you want to show somebody an example of how a product looks, or you want to show it off in the show and tell form, or if somebody is looking for, I don't know, thank you cards to promote or dinosaur t-shirts to promote, and you have something like that, you can make it easier for everyone looking at the responses to see exactly what your products look like. So it's kind of nice. So here, all we need to do is go back over into a store, go over to my Woods Walker store, and to add this magnet, as before, I think the color changed, but as before, we go to the link that is below the product image. Here's where you see the big change. This used to be 3 options here, and the top one was email, then it was the HTML, and the bottom was an image link. Okay, that's gone, but that's the first thing that we need. And you can try different things, that don't work. I tried this one. This is my favorite trick. This works on blogs. You just pick the image up and move it. That doesn't work here because you see it's not an image link. I'll show you what an image link looks like and you can see why. What you can do is go over to the image and either right click on the PC or control click on the Mac, and you get this menu that pops up, and you want to go down to copy image location and then come back over to the forums and paste that. And you notice now that this is a JPEG image, which means that it's an image, so that's what we want. Let's go back up and erase this one because that is just going to be in our way. Okay, now that we have this JPEG image, well, if we preview it, we just get some blue type. That doesn't do any good for anyone. So let's highlight that couple lines of text and click on the mountain scene here. This tells us that it's an image, so that will generate the image code on both sides of that text. And now if we preview it, we can see that the magnet shows up there. What it doesn't have yet is the link. You see my cursor doesn't change here like it does up here. So let's go back over and we will get the link that is good for email or IM. That's kind of a surprise they put that in there. IM would be internet marketing. So I hit select all and copy. Then we'll come over here and highlight all that text there, get every bit of it, and go up to our other code generator. This little chain link is our link. That brings up a box to enter the URL. We don't have to type anything, just paste it. And you will notice that this includes your referral code. You can take it off, why spend the time? It's not in the way. Anyone that's using your links is going to want to change everything anyways. And this referral code will not work from the forum, so it doesn't hurt anything to leave it there. It just saves you 2 seconds to leave it. But just so you know, it's there in case you wanted to put it in a non-Zazzle forum. So click OK, and now you see that it's added a URL coding to the front and back of this image. And let's preview it. Nothing looks different except when we move our cursor over, it has a hand on it. And if we click right there, it should take us, ta-da, to the magnet that was the product image. We're all set.